Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to offset text and make a shadow layer that you can upload to Cricut Design Space or Silhouette Studio. There is a little bit involved in this, but it's pretty easy, and the best part is you can do it from your mobile device and you don't need a computer. First you need to download the app, and it's called Phonto. When it is installed, start by tapping on the little camera icon. Go to Plain Image, select White Canvas, and then select the Share icon, then click Use. Tap anywhere on the canvas and select Add Text. Type in your word, and in this case I'm using Sophia. Then click Done. It is showing in white, so you can change the color by tapping Style and then select a color from the square color palette and then click Done. Now that you can see the word better, you can click on Font. You can use any of the system fonts here, or you could go ahead and add your own just like I have. I'm using the font called Say Loves today, and I will leave a link to it in the description. Make a duplicate of the text by swiping across and tapping on the copy icon. One will be for the shadow and one will be for the text. Tap on one of the copies and then tap Style. Tap on the Stroke tab, change the color of the stroke to black, and then slide the width bar to the width you want your shadow to be. I just want to mention that the font I'm working with at the moment has font strokes that are a little bit thinner. I'm wanting to thicken them up a bit slightly so that the cutting machine cuts them out better. You don't have to do this bit, but I'm wanting to show you how you can do it. Once you get the stroke that you're happy with, you can then change the color back to pink and see what the entire word will look like. Tap Done to go back. Now you can see that the top word is bolder than the bottom word. Tap on the bottom word. This is the layer we are going to make the shadow layer. Tap Style, then also change the stroke to black again. Slide the weight bar back and forth until you find the perfect shadow. Click the Text tab and change the text color to black. This will show you what your shadow will look like. And then click Done. Now you can see both of the layers. If you need to tweak it a little bit, just go through the settings and change them until you're happy. Separate the layers, and now we're going to save. Tap on the Share icon at the bottom right hand side of the screen. Select Save Image as PNG. This will save the image to your camera roll, and then from there we can go to our cutting machine and upload to the software. I'm going to show you how you can do this for Cricut Design Space. So log into Cricut Design Space and click on Upload. Choose Select from Phone Library. In this screen we are going to clean the image up a bit. Tap on the Remove icon and then go through and select the areas you wish to clean up, starting with the background. Make sure you get in between all the letters. When your image is cleaned up, click Next. Have a look and make sure that everything looks the way you want it to, and then click Next. Name your image and then click Save. Now the image is ready to use, so click on it to place it on your canvas. Go to Actions and click on Duplicate. Choose one of the copies and click on Hide Contour. In here you will remove one of the images by tapping on all the lines. Do the same steps for the second copy. You should now have two different layers, one for the name and one for the shadow. Click on the name and click on Edit. Then click on the circle to change the color if you will be cutting it out on two mats. So that's how you can add shadows to text in Phonto. If you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Subscribe to see more videos just like this one, and if this video has helped you, please give it a big like. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you again in the next tutorial.